I'm going to show you today how to make a very simple brown linseed bread. Now linseeds are excellent. So what I have done here actually is I have blended up the linseed, the full kernels in the Nutri bullet and made it into a sort of flour. So it'll be really, really good. So linseeds are excellent. Sometimes people might mix a tablespoon of linseeds, the full linseed, put them into a little glass of water, maybe a little bit of water, double the amount of water with the linseeds, soak it overnight and add it to their porridge or their cereal in the morning. Really good for digestion, or also I suppose constipation, anything like that. So it's really, really good. So what we've done now here is I'm going to use the linseeds. I find the linseeds great for fibre, great for balancing hormones, which we can all do it, just keeping hormones balanced, and really good for skin. So they're a real winner. So this is a simple recipe. I'm going to add in, I've got 200 milled up seeds of the linseeds. I'm going to add in some eggs, and eggs are brilliant, really, really nutritious, lots of protein as well. This is a great low carb bread and really, really easy to make. So I have added in 3 eggs there, 3 or 4 eggs depending on the size of the eggs, medium or large. I have olive oil. This is my next ingredient, 7 tablespoons of olive oil. So we have another 7 tablespoons of milk, and in this case I've added in almond milk because I go dairy free, but you could add in the ordinary milk as well if you wanted to. So this is my tablespoon measurement, and I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of baking powder to raise up the bread so that it raises up a little bit. Now it's quite dense, the bread, but it will rise up with this. So I have a tablespoon here, I'm adding in now. I have the olive oil, and we put in some salt just to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But again, I know exactly how much to put in myself, so I go mix it up. And now we'll mix everything together. So we're mixing all the ingredients together, combining it lovely so that it's all, you can see it here, it's just all mixing up, all the fresh ingredients. What I love about this is it's beautiful with a salad. Beautiful even the next day if it lasts that long. Toast it up in the toaster, maybe with some almond butter, peanut butter, or some lovely freshly made hummus. Really, really easy to make, and it takes only about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. So really, really good. So you can see now it's mixing up lovely. I'm just making sure I have everything mixed together. I have my baking tin, 1 pound baking tin, and I'm going to put this in now and bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. So take back there just to show you. I have lined the parchment paper in the tray, and we'll pop this in the oven. Go. So now I have the mixture all ready to pop into the oven. So here we go, our lovely simple brown linseed bread, made 25 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. I'm just after popping it out, so it's actually still quite warm. But there you can see, lovely and nutritious, lots of omega-3s, dampening down inflammation, good for concentration, mood, and lots of fibre. A lovely low carb bread made in minutes. Enjoy.